Hi, welcome back to THC Thursdays. We're here today to take and bake our dessert. We're doing a hot fudge chocolate pudding cake. And here we go. Our ingredients are already ready and mixed and portioned out for you today. We have our flour, our sugar, our cocoa, our milk, our butter, our vanilla, our baking powder, and our salt. So let's get to mixing. Alright, we're going to start by combining all of our dry ingredients. This is our flour, 1 cup, half a cup of sugar, our cocoa, which is 1/4 of a cup, our 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and our 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to whisk this all together. Make sure all the lumps are out of there and it's nicely blended. Once we're done with this, we're going to combine our liquids. Now with our liquids, we're going to add our butter, which is 1/4 of a cup, and it is actually melted. Stir that in a little bit. And then we're going to add our milk, which is 3/4 cup. Stir that in. Now this batter is going to be a little on the thick side also, so don't be a little scared if it comes out thick. It may have a little bit of lumps in it also, so that's no big deal. Okay, now we're going to add our vanilla, which is 1 teaspoon. And this is what it should look like. That all mixed in really well. Now I already have a prepared pan right here, which has been greased up with some butter. And I'm just going to pour that right on in. I'm going to get me a spatula here. Swipe that off. I'm going to spread that in there nice and smooth. It's just a real quick, nice, easy dessert for anybody that can make it, especially if you like chocolate. Alright. Then we're going to make a nice topping to go on top before we bake it, and it's going to come out to be a nice chocolate sauce. Now we're back with our ingredients to make our topping for our hot fudge chocolate pudding cake. This is what makes the chocolate sauce for the cake. Our ingredients are our sugar, brown sugar, and our cocoa. And then to pour over all top of that, a cup of boiling water. That way it comes all together at the end. Now we're going to start with our half a cup sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, our 3 tablespoons of cocoa, I'm going to mix all of this together. It's going to come out like looking a little bit like sand almost. Instead of stirring, you might want to press it down because that brown sugar might lump up a little bit. Okay. And this right here is the consistency that you're looking for. Something like this. And now you're going to take this over top your cake mix, and you're just going to sprinkle it all over top evenly as much as possible. I can already smell that chocolate. It smells so good. I don't know about anybody else, but I'm a chocolate lover. Alright, we're going to smooth that out real nice. Be careful not to press it in. I'm going to set that aside. And I'm going to take my 1 1/4 cup of water that I had pre-boiled and pour that all over. I can smell the aroma right now. Alright. And then we're going to go over to the oven, pop it in at 350, in about 30 to 35 minutes. This baby's going to be done. Alright, we're ready to put this in. Be real careful not to spill the water. Pop that in. Close it up. And we'll be back in about 30 minutes. Now we're back, and also, safety first. Time to take it out. Oh. There we go. Nice and bubbly. Oh yeah. Just set this right here. Let that cool for about 10 minutes to let it set up real nice and good. Now we're done with our dessert for our Tasty Thursday for our hot fudge chocolate pudding cake. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I enjoyed making it for you. I hope you love it and enjoy your day. Thank you, and have a heavenly day. Bye.